So let's talk a bit more about why that happens. If what we want is empowered product teams that are aligned around outcomes, they have everybody that they need, and the accountability, the permission, the encouragement, and the expectation from the organization to go discover what delivers value, to go talk to their customers, to try different things, to throw some features at the wall and see what sticks and double down on these things and pivot away from things that don't work. This is what we want to see. But what we often see in an organization is an environment where this isn't the case. What we want to see in this empowered environment is product professionals, whether you call that product owner or product manager. You want to see a product professional that is a visionary for their product, that makes a lot of the decisions about their product, maybe even act as the mini CEO of that product. They influence other people, other stakeholders. Even when they don't make the decision, they're a big influencer about their product. They experiment. They try different things, see what works, and double down on what does. They are the ones that really understand their customers and represent them. Those are the product people that we want to see. But often what we see is a feature factory. A feature factory is the place where the work is managed as, at best, features, not really outcomes, not really trying to see if we can deliver value and adjusting course. We just know the features that we need to deliver. Work is managed in terms around scope and timelines, more classic project management. You might use Agile terms like backlogs and sprints, but inherently, under the surface, it's still the traditional mindset of we're managing to a scope and timeline. And a lot of the time, the teams that we have, because of our architecture and our organizational structures, the teams cannot even deliver features. The teams depend a lot on other teams in order to deliver value. And when that is the situation, a lot of the time what we see, instead of the empowered product owner manager that can be a visionary, an experimenter, can own customer outcomes, we see product people that are team level operators. They're asked to work closely with the team on feeding the team with stories and technical details that are needed to build this stuff. They don't really have a chance to be strategic. The strategic product people don't see themselves in a place where they can work inside these teams. They look at the broader picture and they struggle to find how to work with this, in their view, feature factory. That's where we see a lot of the time either the struggle of a technology organization to build product capabilities because they don't even have those strategic people that look across and look at even beyond the features and outcomes. Or when we have a product organization, is not seeing how to effectively interact or be involved with the actual work on the teams. They don't want to be that tactical, and they don't know how to be at that level, and they shouldn't. So what happens is that if we do try to follow some of the Agile practices, we're asked to define product owners for these teams. And because real product people don't make sense at that level, we end up with product owners or even product managers that are in reality project managers or delivery managers or just business analysts that just do command decisions, make the details work in between teams, but are not really strategic, are not really driving towards outcomes.